welcome. Here we are at the cat house, checking it all out. I got Mike down here, right there from Ride the Ozarks. If you've ever watched his channel, we're hanging out this weekend. This has just been like super awesome. So it's Friday night, first day of the Spring Fling, and it's pretty awesome here. If you're going to be part of that convoy across the United States, go easy. 120 anniversary of that at Sandoval. Donations are going to Wounded Warriors, and don't forget you got a chance to win his bike. He's giving it away to somebody at the end. The opportunity to be part of the convoy to 120 dealerships and to support the Wounded Warrior Project, I highly recommend you do it. Adam has his schedule on his website, which I'll make sure to have a link in the description of this video. I plan to be part of the convoy when it comes to Kansas City to Worth Harley Davidson on June 7th. Let me know if you're going to, in the comments, if you're going to be there. It'd be great to meet up and ride together. Don't forget, you also have a chance to win his bike when he ends the convoy at the Harley Davidson 120th anniversary in Milwaukee. I hope you enjoyed a look at this first days of this great ride. If you did, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Remember, it's free to join the nation. Till next week, ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.